Now, this is Nolita almost losing her life after the Sokhulus found out that she's the one who poisoned them, which led to Kaya's death. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video, but before going to it, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by shutting down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, if there's one show that knows exactly how to drag a storyline, lapho Sokhuluma ngesithi the enemy. I mean, I really don't understand how come the Sokhulus are only finding out now that Nolita was the one behind the poisoning that led to Kaya's death. Makes no sense to me, but then you guys probably understand it better. According to me, this should have been exposed a long time ago. I mean, it's been what, one season, I'm not sure, but I think it's been 2 seasons now, because like I watch the show, lose it sometimes, watch it, lose it sometimes, because I don't want to take away the fact that Isithi the Enemy is one of the most entertaining shows in Mzansi, you know. And when I say Mzansi, I mean from the show that play on Mzansi Magic to the show that play on ETV, SABC One. Like Isithi the Enemy is one of the most entertaining shows, so I don't want to take that away from them. They are really entertaining, but these guys can drag a storyline. So what happened is that Nandi and Solomos were naming their baby, so they decided to name him Kaya. And though Rebecca was not happy about that, she then went on and decided that she's going to expose Nolita. But before exposing her, Nolita decided to just confess and told everyone that she's the one who killed Kaya, and that she's the one who poisoned them on the day that Kaya died. The family was a mess. Nandi was so angry. You guys will know that Nandi and Nolita vele abashayisana, and obviously Utenji was going to be mad because she's the one who killed her brother. But Umam Nomsa was worse. She even took a shambok. Nolita kaplung. But then was also Ukuma, because Ukuma came and protected her. You remember that Ukuma already knew about this, which is what I wanted. What was so difficult about telling the whole family on the day when Ukuma found out? But then guys, as I've mentioned before, I don't understand like I'm hating on the show, because the show is a really nice show. You guys tell me what you think on the comment section. Do share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're not TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.